What's up, you guys? Little motivation here. You know, these videos, they just come and go. Whenever I feel motivated, I feel inspired, something inside of me cries out that it needs to get out. So if this video for you, stay here. If not, you can keep scrolling, alright? But if you're listening to this and you're depressed, you're anxious, I need you to get up. Take control of your mind. Tell depression, not today. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna do something productive. I'm gonna work out. I'm gonna do something that's gonna fortify my mind. And I'm gonna stay motivated today. Alright, let's do that. Let's get up. Let's get it. Let's get to work. Come on. Take control of yourself. Take control of your mind. And get up. Alright? Stay blessed. Alright?